Meantime, a big shakeup in biotech. Biogen announcing its CEO is stepping down as the company struggles to navigate the future of its new Alzheimer's drug. Let's get to Meg Tirrell with all the details. Meg.
Hey, Mel. Well, Michel Vounatsos, the CEO of Biogen since January of 2017, is going to stay on as Biogen conducts this search for his successor. They essentially said they're beginning the search, or they announced they were beginning it today. So he'll continue to be CEO and a member of the board as they do that and help with the transition. But essentially, this is being looked at as a reset period for Biogen after, as you said, it's really struggled with this roller coaster for its Alzheimer's drug Aduhelm. That got that surprise approval in the middle of last year. The FDA clearing it even after its advisors really were pretty against the drug, saying there weren't clear data showing that it really worked. And then Medicare this year gave a very narrow coverage opinion on this, saying essentially they'd only pay for the drug for people who are in specific clinical trials. That essentially doomed the drug essentially to failure. And the company saying today it's writing off $275 million in Aduhelm inventory, basically eliminating its commercial infrastructure for the drug. But Mel, what's interesting is the rest of the business is basically shrinking, and Biogen is still really betting in Alzheimer's. It has another drug that has a big clinical trial readout at the end of this year. So a lot of questions about what is the profile of this CEO going to look like? Are they going to change the company, do a lot of M&A? Are they going to package it up to potentially try to sell the company? All of these outstanding questions. And then, of course, what does this drug do at the end of the year in this clinical trial? Mel?
Is Aduhelm basically, I don't want to say a zombie drug, but I mean, they're substantially eliminating some of the sales infrastructure that it had planned originally when it looked like the drug was going to be a blockbuster. So it looks like there's a lot less support for this drug. Are they just sort of writing it off at this point?
Essentially, I mean, the drug is still available, but you can only get it if you enroll in one of these clinical trials. And so they basically said, well, we've built up this big infrastructure to sell Alzheimer's drugs, but we can't really sell it. And we have this other one that potentially could come along, a year from now, but it doesn't make sense to keep this big infrastructure as we wait for that one. They are not keeping it in any means for Aduhelm itself.
All right. Meg, thank you. Meg Tirrell. $30 billion market cap company, guy. Yeah. What happens?
No, and listen, it's interesting. I think it's slightly higher now. Not that that matters, but you think about this was a $450 stock when I think it was last summer when the good news came out. That didn't last particularly long. Not that Biogen is a one-trick pony by any stretch, but so much of this was predicated on getting this Alzheimer's across the finish line. Clearly not happening. I don't know if you've capitulated yet, unfortunately. There might still be another 15, 20% downside to this name before it finds a bottom.
Yeah, you have to protect that 192 low, the recent low, where you look at the stock. I think all bets are off. First of all, when you look at biotech, it's been totally obliterated. And there's a handful of names that have done well. But unless you were COVID-related for the last couple of years, you didn't get any of that bid. And we've seen all of that bid in the COVID-related stocks just leave. Moderna is down 42%. Year to date. So this is a group that I think will eventually rally. I think we're close to the bottom. But to Guy's point, it could be 10 or so dollars away in Biogen.